Today I will show you how to make a act ready popcorn. I am buy from Amazon pantry and I bought 3 packages and I poured all the popcorn into a pressure cooker, and this is how to I will show you how to prepare the whole popcorn. Okay, there is the cooker. You can feel the sound, you can hear the sound. When the popcorn will prepare lastly, I will show the video again and again. Okay. You should do sizzling and setting so that the whole popcorn will be cooked very well. It is tastes good, but I tried first time in my house. Okay. You should shake it properly. अच्छे से शेक कर लेना है, नहीं तो खराब हो जाएगा. It takes only 3 minutes, but I will pour it in for 4 minutes because of good smell, good taste, and all over a good experience it will be give me. Okay. If you have not any pressure cooker, so you can use a whole amount of big kettle or a pan which is little bit thick, so that the popcorn will prepare very good. It is about 3 minutes, so I will open the pressure cooker and I want to see what is the situation of the whole popcorn. This taste is sizzling golden popcorn. Okay, so wait please. So this is the whole procedure. You can see the result of making the whole popcorn sizzling golden sound. This is the buttery texture. That's when it is the butter. Actually this is the butter, and you can say the fat or protein. बहुत ही टेस्ट होने वाला है, मैं जानता हूँ. You think that why I continue this video with my English version, but I just want to tell whole world how to cook it. It is very good. इन YouTube चैनल पे मैंने देखा बहुत अनयूजुअल वीडियो भी चल जाता है. ठीक है. ओके, बाय. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Please like, comment, share and subscribe करना.